Want a GPU cluster that scales to 0 when you're not using it? That's ParallelCluster. ParallelCluster is open source. You define your cluster in a YAML config, and the CLI deploys everything using CloudFormation. What makes it special? Well, your head node is always on. It runs the Slurm controller. Your compute queues auto-scale from 0 to whatever you set. You can mix your CPU and GPU queues in that same cluster. And shared storage with FSx Lustre gives you the high throughput parallel I/O. When you submit a job, ParallelCluster launches the instances, runs your container, and terminates them when they're done. And you only pay for your actual compute time. ParallelCluster equals maximum control and minimum cost. It's perfect for burst training workloads. I added templates in the description, and follow for more brain bites.